how to delete your Vinted account. So let's say that you want to delete your account on Vinted. All you have to do is first go to the official website and sign into your account. So click on the sign up button here and you just log in with your email or whichever method you have used. Here, just type out your information and log in. Now, once you have logged in, we gotta follow these prompts. You should see your profile icon right here in the top right. You wanna click on it and then you will select settings. After you have selected settings, I'll just refer us to this. You will click on account settings. After you have clicked on settings, you will scroll down and select account settings. There you should see an option to delete account. You will scroll to the bottom and select delete account, and you just gotta confirm the deletion. You will follow the prompts and the steps to confirm your decision. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.